What's going on, Reshoevn Nation? We are giving away 5 travel kits to 5 lucky winners. All you guys have to do to win is guess where I'm going on my trip. I'll be going to 5 different countries. We will have clues posted on the community tab, so make sure you have your notifications on to see every time we post a clue. To win one of these travel kits, all you have to do is just comment on that clue, and out of everyone that comments correctly, we'll be choosing 1 winner per country to win one of these travel kits, guys. So make sure you hit that button to be notified, guys. Good luck.